Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon again. History or civics?
Ma'am, civics.
Ma'am, civics.
हिस्ट्री करके खत्म करो बेटा चैप्टर.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
गुड आफ्टरनून सान्या.
नींद आ रही
नींद आ रही है? नींद तो बेटा मैम को भी आ रही है बहुत तेज. क्या करा जाए?
है.
हाँ,
मैम civics भी करेंगे ना?
आप बताओ जैसा आप लोग कहो.
मैम civics.
Ma'am,
चलिए.
civics.
Okay, done. You have the books with you, all of you?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Fine. So keep your
Good
books open.
afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, beta Deepshika. I'll share the that. Wait. Let
Good
me.
afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Kavya. I'll share the web chart and continue with the reading part, right?
Okay, ma'am.
So can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Keep your books with you, and we'll start from the book. Let everyone come. बेटा आप लोग इसका स्क्रीनशॉट ले लो चाहो तो, जो माइंड मैप है ना. क्लास.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
The screenshot. You can take the screenshot of this mind map. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
मैम स्क्रीनशॉट क्लियर नहीं आएगा, आप ग्रुप पे पोस्ट कर दीजिए.
Yes, ma'am. It is not clear. Yes, ma'am.
अच्छा.
Same, ma'am.
क्लियर नहीं आएगा. अब देखो आएगा अब.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Now it's clear.
इसको दो पार्ट्स में ले लो चाहो तो, है ना. एक ही ले लो.
Yes, ma'am. Second.
ले लिया. टेकन.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
एक ऐसे
Yes,
ले लो.
ma'am.
एक ऐसे ले लो आप. ठीक.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
चलिए. फाइन. एक मिनट.
मैम वी हैव टू मेक दिस.
क्या कह रहे धनंजय बेटा?
मैम वी हैव टू ड्रॉ दिस इन अ कॉपी.
देख लो बेटा, मर्जी है. ये इजी अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ द चैप्टर होती है. आप इसको रेफरेंस भी इसका ले सकते हो. ठीक है.
ओके मैम. कैन आई टेक अ स्क्रीनशॉट?
चलिए. लास्ट डाल दो गेट का. ओके. Who all are there in the class? Let me see. बेटा Ananya has attended the classes in the morning.
यस मैम.
Huh? Okay. Fine. Shreya, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you read page 71, political parties overview?
Yes, ma'am.
This we have already.
We have read this.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Then why
ma'am.
do we need political parties? This also we have read.
Yes, ma'am.
Then functions, page 73.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. We have to start with the next topic.
Necessity भी कर लिया था हमने. बेटा,
Ma'am,
what
we
is-
have explained. Ma'am, but we haven't read.
Yes, ma'am. You have explained, but we have to read.
we will read from the functions of the political parties, right? Page number 73. Shreya, start.
Ma'am, we have to start
Yes,
from
ma'am.
meaning.
What does a political party do? Basically, political party fills political offices and exercise political power. Parties do so by performing a series of functions. First, parties contest elections. In most democracies, elections are fought mainly among the candidates put up by political parties. Parties select their candidates in different ways. In some countries, such as the USA, members and supporters of a party choose its candidates. Now, more and more countries are following this method. In other countries like India, top party leaders choose candidates for their contesting elections. Second, parties put forward different policies and programs, and the voters choose from them. Each of us may have different opinions and views on what policies are suitable for the society, but no government can handle such a large variety of views. In democracy, a large number of similar opinions have to be grouped together to provide a direction in which policies can be formulated by the government.
Okay,
This
wait,
is what
Shreya.
the party.
Wait. Can we have Mohammad Haseen reading now? Yes, Haseen.
Yes, ma'am.
Read from where Shreya has left.
Parties put forward different policies and programs, and the voters choose from them. Each of us may have different opinions and views on what policies are suitable for the society, but no government can handle such a large variety of views. In a democracy, a large number of similar opinions have to be grouped together to provide a direction in which policies can be formulated by the government. This is what the parties do. A party reduce a vast multitude
Multitude of
of
opinions.
opinions into a basic options,
Position.
basic
Few
position
basic
which
positions.
few basic position which it supports. A government is expected to be base its policies on the line take by the ruling party.
Taken by the ruling. Anything in these 2 points to be explained, class?
No, ma'am.
All clear
No,
and
ma'am.
understood?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Ramsha, are you there?
Yes.
Third point. Read. माइक हटाओ रमशा, अनम्यूट करो. रमशा, Anamata.
Yes, ma'am.
Read. Third point.
Parties play a decisive role in making laws for a country. Formally, laws are debated and passed in the legislature. But since most of the members belong to a party, they go by the direction of the party leadership, irrespective of their personal
Opinion.
opinions. Fourth point.
Okay. Wait. Kavya,
Yes, ma'am.
fourth point.
Parties form and run governments. As we noted last year, the big policy decisions are taken by the political executive that comes from the political parties. Parties recruit leaders, train them, and then make them minister to run the government in the way they want.
Okay, anything in up till here to be explained?
No, ma'am.
Okay,
No,
Nikhil,
ma'am.
Nikhil, next point.
Parties form and run a government as we noted last year.
पढ़ लिया बेटा, ये पढ़ लिया. Next.
Sorry, ma'am. Sorry. Those
हाँ.
parties that lose in the election play the role of opposition to the parties in power by
Voicing different views.
voicing different views and criticizing government for its failures or wrong policies. Opposition parties along mobilize oppositions to the government.
Okay. Next, can we have Faiz reading? Mohammed Faiz. Faiz, are you there? No, Faiz is not in the class, I believe. Faiz. सो गए लग रहा है. 12 बज गया ना. क्यों फैज? Wait. Yes, rejoin. Faiz, I am not able to hear you. Please rejoin and read. Okay, by the time Dhananjay, you read.
Okay, ma'am. Parties shape public opinion. They raise and highlight issues. Party have lakhs of members and activists spread all over the country. Many of the pressure groups are the extension of political party among different sections of society. Parties sometimes also launch movements for the resolution of problems faced by people.
Often opinion
In the society crystallize on the lines of parties take.
Ma'am, may I read the 7 point?
Ma'am, then.
Wait.
May I read the 7th point?
Yes, Dhruv.
Parties provide access
बेटा एक बात
to
बताइए.
government machinery and welfare.
Dhruv, wait. Do you people also face the same problem that Anand and Faiz face in every classes? Because I have been going through the classes. अभी मैं वही देख रही थी एनपी के ग्रुप में. सिर्फ एक आनंद और फैज ही लिख के भेजते हैं. मैडम, नेटवर्क इश्यूज, नॉट ज्वाइनिंग. वहां गेम में लगे होते हैं, उसके बाद इसलिए जो है इनका ये एग्जिट हो जाते हैं ग्रुप में से. क्या ये बाकी चीजों के साथ भी करते हैं? बाकियों के साथ भी यही काम करते हैं ये लोग?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
This match
Yes,
is
ma'am.
तो सही है. अब ये कंप्लेन इनके फादर को ही जाएगी फैज की. लेट हिम एक्ट स्मार्ट. अभी कॉल करेंगे, आज वैसे भी कॉल करनी है. चलो ध्रुव, कंटिन्यू बेटा.
Parties provide people access to government machinery and welfare scheme implemented by government. For an ordinary citizen, it is easy to approach a local party leader than a government officer. That is why they feel close to parties even when they do not fully trust them. Parties have to responsive people needs and demands. Otherwise, people can reject those parties in the next election.
Okay, out of all these 7 points that we have read, anything, any point, any line that you have not understood? Class?
Ma'am, this last point only.
Parties
Yes,
have to
the
be
last
responsive
point.
to people's needs. This one?
Yes, ma'am. Same.
They
Last
Yes, ma'am.
point.
Electoral politics mein we had read that if the parties, they do not take responsibility, or if they do not think about the welfare of the people, or if they do not plan policies in such a way that the people's welfare is looked after, in such cases, people, why will people reappoint you? Why will people vote for you again in the next elections when you are doing nothing for them? See, people are concerned about their welfare. If any political party, any particular party that looks after the interest and the welfare of the general public, then only they try to bring them in power again. If you are there in power, if they bring you in power, that means, see, people are the real rulers in democracy. We all know this. If people's welfare is not looked after, if their welfare is not given first priority, top priority, in that case, what happens? People, they feel that the party has cheated them, and in next elections, they prefer to bring some other political party which can think of better welfare of the general, for the general public. So this last line means if we are in need, as you know, as public, if we are in need and the government is not responding to our needs, then in that case, next time we are not going to listen to them, we are not going to give votes to them. We will ensure that some other political party comes to power who is more responsive to the needs and demands of the people. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
ये rejection
Okay,
का
ma'am.
ये होता है that in the next elections they may not re-elect them, or they may not vote for the same political party leaders, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Can we have Akansha reading necessity? See, in this necessity wala portion, you will be reading that why in the present scenario political parties are required, why we cannot do without political parties, though everybody says, see, if we all are very responsive, we are concerned about our areas, but then the problem comes when Haseen is told to look after the region that is looked after by Shreya or by Dhruv. Haseen will say, I am responsible for my constituency, I am responsible for my area. Why will I go to Dhruv Sharma's area or to Shreya Gangwar's area to look after the problems people are facing? In such cases, someone has to take the responsibility for the whole region, right? Somebody has to take responsibility, right? Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Like all the other subject teachers which are there, they keep complaining about, about many of the students, that this is the problem with that child, that is the problem with the other child. So that way, why do they, like, if I also get irritated and if I say, why am I told about all these things? Why I am told? Because I am the class teacher, right? I am given the responsibility of these 34 students who are part of my classroom. And for everything, for every problem that the teacher are facing because of you people, they will simply complain to me. They are not going to complain it to the authorities, because for them, I am the authority for you all. And if I am not satisfied with something, I will call your parents and I will convey to them that this is the problem with your child. Kindly look into it, right? First, I will try to solve things at my level. And if I feel that I am not able to solve them, then I will approach the higher authorities, or I will directly call to your parents, right? For me, two people are like, I am answerable to two people, your parents and the authorities, right? Likewise, you are answerable to your class teacher, your subject teachers, your parents. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
तो नेसेसिटी में सिर्फ ये बताया गया है कि क्यों जो है पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज जो है आज की डेट में डेमोक्रेसीज की रिक्वायरमेंट बन गई है। उसका कारण सीधे सीधे ये है कि कोई भी इंडिविजुअल अपने आप में अकेले कंट्री की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी नहीं लेना चाहता है। और ये सीधी सी बात है बेटा कि अगर मैं ये बोलूं कि हाँ भाई मेरी क्लास के जितने भी 34 बच्चे हैं, मैं अकेले उनकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ले लूंगी पढ़ाई में, तो क्या ये सही होगा? ये नहीं सही होगा, बिकॉज सारे सब्जेक्ट्स मेरे फील्ड नहीं है। ठीक है, तो कलेक्टिवली हम सारे सब्जेक्ट टीचर्स मिलके एक ग्रुप बनाते हैं, एक टीम बनाते हैं, उस टीम, वो पूरी टीम रिस्पॉन्सिबल होती है फॉर एवरीवन, ठीक है। और कहीं ना कहीं आप भी आंसरेबल होते हो उस चीज के लिए। अगर आपकी सारी क्लासेस हो रही हैं, आपको सब कुछ पढ़ाया जा रहा है, एंड इफ यू आर नॉट परफॉर्मिंग वेल इन अ पर्टिकुलर सब्जेक्ट, तो कारण जाना जाता है कि भाई व्हाट इज द रीजन बिहाइंड, क्या आपको समझ नहीं आ रहा, या टीचर नहीं समझा पा रहा है, या टीचर पढ़ा नहीं पा रहा है, या आप समझ नहीं पा रहे हो, कहीं ना कहीं आप में और टीचर में कम्युनिकेशन गैप हो रहा है, या कहीं ना कहीं ऐसा कुछ प्रॉब्लम आ रही है जिसमें कि नीदर द चाइल्ड नॉट द टीचर इज एबल टू कम्युनिकेट टू ईच अदर, मतलब आप अपनी प्रॉब्लम समझा नहीं पा रहे हो, टीचर आपकी प्रॉब्लम समझ नहीं पा रहा, तो इन दोनों केसेस में प्रॉब्लम्स जो है क्रिएट हुई। तो आप भी ऐसे होने चाहिए कि आप अपनी प्रॉब्लम हमें इजीली बता सको, और हमें भी ऐसा होना पड़ेगा कि हम आपकी प्रॉब्लम्स को इजीली समझ सके, तभी जो है एक एज अ टीम हम लोग वर्क कर पाएंगे, राइट?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
आप ये सोचो कि भाई ये तो टीचर की
Yes,
रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी
ma'am.
है, हमें कैसे भी करके पढ़ाए, हमारे दिमाग में फॉर्मूलेज घुसाए, हमारे दिमाग में फैक्ट्स घुसाए, हमारे दिमाग में थ्योरीज घुसाए, स्टोरीज घुसाए, तो दैट इज नॉट पॉसिबल। वो एफर्ट्स जो है इट इज अ कंबाइंड एफर्ट, आपकी तरफ से भी और हमारी तरफ से भी। इट कैन नॉट बी ऑन वन साइड ही, इधर ऑफ द साइड्स में नहीं होगा, इट हैज टू बी फ्रॉम बोथ द साइड्स। तो जो नेसेसिटी है वो इसलिए है क्योंकि कोई ना कोई ऐसा चाहिए, एक ग्रुप ऐसा चाहिए जो कि होलसेल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ले और ये इंश्योर करे कि हाँ भाई हम सारी चीजों को देखेंगे, हम ये इंश्योर करेंगे कि कोई प्रॉब्लम जो है वो अकर ना हो बिकॉज ऑफ आवर नेग्लिजेंस। एम आई क्लियर?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
हम क्यों कहते हैं कि हम एक टीम की तरह काम करेंगे? उसका रीजन ये है कि हो सकता है काव्या जो है बहुत ओपन नहीं है अपनी एसएसटी टीचर के साथ, बट शी इज क्वाइट फ्रैंक विद हर इंग्लिश टीचर, तो she may discuss her problems with the English teacher rather than with the SST teacher. तो ये भी कई बार डिफरेंसेस होते हैं, रीजन होते हैं कि बच्चा इज नॉट एबल टू कम्युनिकेट। तो ये जो कम्युनिकेशन प्रॉब्लम होता है इसको बेसिकली हमें देखना होता है, ठीक है? क्योंकि जब तक आप अपनी प्रॉब्लम नहीं बताओगे तब तक आपकी प्रॉब्लम का सोल्यूशन नहीं निकल पाएगा। एम आई क्लियर?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
इस पूरे पैराग्राफ में यही बताया है कि क्यों इलेक्शन जरूरी है, क्यों पॉलिटिकल पार्टी जरूरी है, क्या रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज होती है पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज की, और क्यों जो है पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज आज के टाइम में मेनी ऑफ द कंट्रीज दे वांट टू फॉलो द डेमोक्रेटिक सिस्टम, जहां पे पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज आर देयर हु टेक द होल सोल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ एवरीथिंग। ठीक है, चलिए, कैन वी हैव अक्षदा रीडिंग नाउ?
Yes, ma'am. The list of functions in a sense answers the question asked above. We need political parties because they form all these functions. But we still need to ask why modern democracies cannot exist without political parties. We can understand the necessity of political parties by imagining a situation without parties. Every candidate in the elections will be independent, so no one will be able to make any promises to the people about any major policy changes. The government may be formed, but its utility will remain ever uncertain. Elected representatives will be accountable to their constituency for what they do in the locality, but no one will be responsible for how the country will be run. We can also think about it by looking at the non-party based elections to the panchayat in many states. Although the parties do not contest formally, it is generally noticed that the village gets split into more than one faction, each of which puts up a panel of its candidates. This is exactly what the party does. That is the reason we find political parties in almost all countries of the world, whether these countries are big or small, old or new, developed or developing. The rise of political parties is directly linked to the emergence of representative democracies. As we have seen, large societies need representative democracy. As societies became large and complex, they also needed some agency to gather different views on various issues and to present these to the government. They needed some ways to bring various representatives together so that a responsible government could be formed. They needed a mechanism to support or restrain the government, make policies, justify or oppose them. Political parties fulfill these needs that every representative government has. We can say that parties are necessary condition for a democracy. I'm done.
Okay. Anything to be explained over here?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
चलिए. Can we have Sanya reading now?
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
How many parties should we have? In a democracy, any group of citizens is free to form a political party. In this form, since there are a large number of political parties in each country, more than 750 parties are registered with the Election Commission of India. But not all these parties are serious contents in the election. Usually, only a handful of parties are effectively in a race to win election and form the government. So the question then is how many measure of effective parties are good for our democracy. In some countries, only one party is allowed to control and run the government. These are called one party system.
Fine. Can we have Agrim reading the next?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
In some countries, only one party is allowed to control and run the government. These are called one-party systems. Ma'am,
Carry on.
I have to read this, a moral force in politics.
No. Next page, page 77. We noted that
Okay.
in China.
In class 9th, we noted that in China, only the Communist Party is allowed to rule. Although, legally speaking, people are free to form political parties, it does not happen because the electoral system does not permit free competition for power. We cannot consider one party system as a good option because this is not a democratic option. Any democratic system must allow at least two parties to compete in elections and provide a fair chance for the competing parties to come to power. In some countries, power usually changes between two main parties. Several other parties may exist, contest elections, and win a few seats in the national legislatures. But only the two main parties have a serious chance of winning majority of seats to form government. Such a party system is called two-party system. The United States of America and the United Kingdom are examples of two-party system. If
Okay.
several parties compete for
Wait.
power,
Wait. Okay.
yes,
Now
ma'am.
see these. Do I need to explain this or you know it?
Ma'am, we know.
No, ma'am.
पक्का ना?
Ma'am, we know.
हमने
Yes, ma'am.
electoral
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
तो हमने बताया था कि इसमें क्या क्या चीजें होती है, कैसे होती है. चलिए. Can we have Malay reading now?
From in some countries,
In several parties.
in several parties compete
If
for power, and more than two parties have a reasonable chance of coming to power either on their own strength or in alliance with others. We call it a multi-party system. In this system, the government is formed by various parties coming together in a coalition. When several parties in a multi-party system join hands for the purpose of contesting elections and winning power, it is called an alliance or front. For example, in India, there were three such major alliances in 2004 parliamentary elections: the National Democratic Alliance, the United Progressive Alliance, and the Left Front. The multi-party system often appears very messy and leads to political instability. At the same time, this system allows a variety of interests and opinions to enjoy political representations. So, which of these is better? Perhaps the best answer is to this very common question is that this is not a very good question. Party system is not something any country can choose. It evolves over a long time depending on the nature of society, its social and regional division, its history of politics, and its system of elections. These cannot be changed very quickly. Each country develops a party system that is conditioned by its special circumstances. For example, if India has evolved a multi-party system, it is because the social and geographical diversity in such a large country is not easily absorbed by two or even three parties. No system is ideal for all countries and all situations.
Fine. Now see, this, how many parties should we have? I hope this is all clear and understood to all of you.
Yes, ma'am.
See, when we have just
Yes,
one
ma'am.
party, when we have just one party, again it is difficult because only one party will be in power. If we have two parties, either of the one will be there or the second one will come to power. If we have multi-party system, again a problem is there. In multi-party system, no party comes with a majority and every party has to collaborate. कोयलेशन गवर्नमेंट बन जाती है तो वो कोयलेशन गवर्नमेंट बराबर होती है किसी भी चीज के कुछ भी नहीं करने की होती है बराबर. रीजन बीइंग कोयलेशन गवर्नमेंट में जो हेड होता है, जो प्राइम मिनिस्टर होता है या जो भी हेड ऑफ द कंट्री बनता है या गवर्नमेंट का बनता है, उसमें प्रॉब्लम क्या आती है? द पर्सन इज नॉट इंडिपेंडेंट, नॉट फ्री टू टेक डिसीजंस. उसको हमेशा 10-15 लोग इन्फ्लुएंस करते हैं डिसीजन लेने में, क्योंकि कोयलेशन से बनी होती है. अगर किसी भी एक पार्टी मेंबर को उसने नाराज कर दिया, दूसरी पार्टी के मेंबर को नाराज कर दिया, तो क्या होगा? तलवार लटक जाएगी किस चीज के लिए कि भाई पता नहीं अगली बार ये सपोर्ट रखेंगे कि नहीं रखेंगे. पता चले यहाँ हम बाहर निकल रहे हैं पार्लियामेंट से, इधर इन्होंने जाके डिक्लेयर कर दिया कि भाई हमने सपोर्ट वापस ले लिया. तो कोयलेशन में भी बहुत ज्यादा इंस्टेबिलिटी रहती है. मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम्स ये होता है कि भाई कोयलेशन गवर्नमेंट जो है बहुत ज्यादा सक्सेसफुल नहीं होती है, और मल्टी पार्टी सिस्टम होने की वजह से बहुत ज्यादा टाइम ऐसा नहीं हुआ है कि कोई भी पार्टी जो है कंप्लीट मेजॉरिटी से इलेक्शंस में विन करके गवर्नमेंट फॉर्म कर सके. एम आई क्लियर?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
चलिए, okay. Now can we have the next this thing? National political parties. Can we have Yadvendra reading?
National parties. Democracies that follow a federal system all over the world tend to have two kinds of political parties. Parties that are present in only one of the federal units, and parties that are present in several of all the units of the federation. This is the case in India as well. There are some countries-wide parties which are called national parties. These parties have their units in various states, but by and large, all these units follow the same policies, programs, and state strategy that is decided by the national level. Every party in the country has to register with the election commission. While the commission treat all the party equally, it offers some special facility to large and established parties. These parties are given a unique symbol. Only the official candidates of the party can use the election symbol. Parties that get the privilege and some other special facilities are recognized by the election commission for this purpose. That is why parties are called recognized political party. The election commissioner has laid down detailed, detailed criteria
Detailed
of the
criteria.
proportion
Mhm.
detailed criteria of proportion of votes and seats that a party must get in order to be recognized. A party that secure at least 6% of the total votes in an election to the legislative assembly of a state wins at least 2 seats is recognized as a state party. A party that is secures at least 6% of the total votes in Lok Sabha election or assembly election in 4 states wins at least 4 seats in the Lok Sabha is recognized as a national party. According to this classification, there were 7 recognized national parties in the country in 2017. Let us learn something about each of these parties.
Okay.
All India.
बेटा बेटा एक मिनट यादवेंद्र, अब आप आ जाओ. ये जो लास्ट की कुछ लाइंस है,
मैम कहाँ पे?
बेटा एक मिनट रुको. लास्ट की जो लाइंस है 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, लास्ट 10th line, all of you please underline it. It tells you that what is the criteria of a state party to be recognized as a state party, what is the criteria for a political party to be recognized as a national political party. Fine. Most of the times you get this question as 3 marks questions and 1 mark question. Please underline it.
मैम which line?
बेटा लास्ट ये जो भी पैराग्राफ यदवेंद्र ने खत्म करा है विवान, नीचे से ऊपर जाते हुए 10वीं लाइन, 10 जो ये जो 10 लाइंस हैं पूरी अंडरलाइन कर लीजिए इनको।
ओके मैम।
फाइन, चलिए कैन वी नाउ हैव विवान रीडिंग? Beta, now you will be reading about detailed study you will be doing of the 7 national political parties, recognized national political parties that we have. Everything is important in it. Every single line, like when you will read, I will tell you side by side. Vivan, can we have you reading?
Yes ma'am, please wait.
हाँ.
Ma'am, please tell the page number.
Page number is 80.
Okay ma'am. All India Trinamool Congress AITC launched on 1st January 1998 under the leadership of Mamata Banerjee, recognized as a national party in 2016. The party's symbol is flower and grasses. Committed to secularism and federalism, has been in power in West Bengal since 2012. Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur, Tripura. In the general election held in 2014, it got 3.84% votes and won 34 seats, making it is the 4th largest party in the Lok Sabha.
ओके बेटा, इसमें आपको आ सकता है कि भाई कौन से इलेक्शंस में, लोकसभा के कौन से इलेक्शंस में जो तृणमूल कांग्रेस है वो जो है लार्जेस्ट पार्टी बन के आई थी, मतलब एक पार्टी जो है नेशनल पार्टी बन के आई। दूसरा, किन जगहों पे उसने इलेक्शंस कंटेस्ट करे, ठीक है, किस ईयर में इस पार्टी का फॉर्मेशन हुआ, ये सारी चीजें जनरल इंफॉर्मेशन हैं रिगार्डिंग दीज पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज। सो यू नीड टू बी अडेप्ट, यू नीड टू बी प्रॉम्प्ट विद द इंफॉर्मेशन। आपसे पूछ लेंगे कि भाई जैसे आईएनसी का फॉर्मेशन कब हुआ, या आईएनसी का फाउंडर कौन था, या बीजेपी जो थी पहले वो किस नाम से जानी जाती थी, बीजेपी कौन से ईयर में एग्जिस्टेंस में आई, बीजेपी का आइडियोलॉजी क्या है, आईएनसी की आइडियोलॉजी क्या है, तो ये और इनके फाउंडर लीडर्स कौन है। तो ये सारी जनरल इंफॉर्मेशन हैं जो कि आपको पता होनी चाहिए। एग्जाम्स में 1 मार्क क्वेश्चंस या एमसीक्यू बेस्ड जो अब आपका जो आएगा उनमें इनमें से कुछ भी आपसे पूछ लिया जाएगा। So you need to be thorough with it. Am I clear?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
चलिए,
Yes,
can
ma'am.
can we have Akansha reading? Beta Akansha.
Ma'am, can you please share the screen? I don't have book.
अरे तो उसमें तो टाइम निकल जाएगा। चलो श्रेया आप पढ़ो बेटा फटाफट से।
Okay, ma'am. Bahujan Samaj Party, BSP, formed in 1984 under the leadership of Kanshi Ram, seeks to represent and secure power for the Bahujan Samaj, which includes the Dalits, Adivasis, OBCs, and religious minorities. Draws inspiration from the ideas and teachings of Sahu Maharaj, Mahatma Phule, Peniyar Ramaswamy Naikar, and Baba Sahib Ambedkar. Stands for the cause of securing the interest and welfare of the Dalits and oppressed people. It has its main base in the state of Uttar Pradesh and substantial presence in neighboring states like Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Uttarakhand, Delhi, and Punjab. Formed government in Uttar Pradesh several times by taking the support of different parties at different times. In the Lok Sabha election held in 2014, it polled about 4% votes, but did not secure seat in the Lok Sabha.
ठीक है, class is about to end any moment. Thank you for the today's sessions.